So good day everyone. So since Ms. Dihito already discussed about the school-based management, the advantages of school-based management, the legal basis, and the condition for the success of school-based management. So now, in addition, based on international experience, the following must be present for school-based management to succeed in schools: have basic resources, have developed an effective school support system, are provided with regular information on their performance, are given advice on how they may improve, and emphasize the motivational element in the school management of the principal. So, schools should have access to basic resources like infrastructure, materials, and equipment, qualified personnel, and information systems. So, effective school support systems for school based management might include training and capacity building, technical assistance, mentorship and coaching, monitoring and evaluation, communication, and networks. So the regular information on performance helps schools through track progress, identify areas for improvement, and also to enhance accountability. And in order for us to improve school based management, principals might benefit from advice on building strong relationships, empowering teachers, data driven decision making, and also community engagement. Now we have here the rules, functions, and knowledge, skills, attitudes required. So the rules of visionary, principal, motivator, advocate, and planner. So its functions is to lead in setting the vision, mission, and goals of the school. So we already know the vision, mission, and goals of the school because it seems so it's already in our school. So the individuals in school, including us, kay kabalo na jud ana. So the knowledge, skills, attitudes required is change and future orientation. Next, we have builder of networks and support systems. So the functions is to organize or expand schools, community, and local government networks and groups that will actively participate in school improvement. Lead in developing the school improvement plan with the participation of the staff and the community, and also lead in developing and maintaining the school management information system. And the knowledge and skills attitude required is networking, organizing, social mobilization, and advocacy. Also, development of teamwork, building consensus, and skills in negotiation and conflict resolution. And last, participatory planning and administrative management. So the functions of builder of networks and support systems is ang iyahang main goal ani is to expand school community and government local networks and groups that will actively participate in school. Then next is the curriculum developer. So the function of curriculum developer is to create a physical and psychological climate conducive to teaching and learning, and also localize and implement school curriculum. It also encouraged development and use of innovation instructional methods focused on improving learning outcomes, increasing access to basic education, improving the holding power of schools, and addressing specific local problems. So the knowledge skills used is to develop of collective accountability for school and student performance, designing of the curriculum to address both national local needs and aspirations. Then last, the creation of an open learning system based on several resource materials rather than on a single textbooks. So then we also have here fiscal resource manager. So the function of fiscal resource manager is to administer and manage all personal, physical, and fiscal resources of the school. And also, they encourage and accept donations, gifts, requests, and grants for educational purpose and reports appropriate officers. So the knowledge skills used is fund management and also serving as model for transparency and accountability, especially in financial management. So let's proceed to factors of school effectiveness based on research. So there are 10 several key factors that contributes to school effectiveness. The strong leadership, high quality teachers, clear goals and expectations, safe and supportive environment, parent and community engagement, data driven decision making, collaborative culture, focus on student learning, professional development, and accountability and evaluation. So, effective practices need to be institutionalized for them to become part of the school culture. So to build professional capacity and establish mechanism that supports the contributing quality improvement of school is an assurance that effective schools even become more effective. So school-based management or SBM is the mechanism introduced by the Department of Education in the Philippines to continuously work on effective school. So as the term implies, in school-based management, schools are given greater autonomy to make decisions regarding education of children. So the research finding of OECD confirms that school autonomy has a positive relationship with students' performance when accountability measures are in place and or when mm, school principal and teachers collaborate in school management. So, OECD 2012, China and Singapore have been devolving and responsibility to the school levels toward 2008. In Finland, accountability rests on the trust placed by families and government in the professional competence of teachers toward 2008.